1.74. 1.
What's your name?
Cecile.
How do you spell it?
Cecile.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
2.
What's your name?
My name's Andy.
How do you spell it?
Andy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Newcastle.
Where's that?
It's in the northeast of England.
3.
What's your name?
David.
How do you spell it?
G-A-V-I-G.
Where are you from?
I am from Paris.
4.
What's your name?
My name is Arja.
How do you spell it?
That's Arja.
Where are you from?
From Finland.
5.
What's your name?
It's Karen.
How do you spell it?
Karin.
Where are you from?
From Switzerland.